First, I'd like to help your self-preparation to receive my guidance. What guidance? You are here to be receiving. It is guidance for your intellectual self to be guided to build early stages of your intellectuality, to build your intellectuality. What you need, obey. Breathing the same air, saturated with intellectuality of mind. And you need to be disciplined to exactly follow what I give. I say exactly what I give. I'd like you to be disciplined to follow what I give exactly as it is, as they are. Do not interpret by a different way. In order to inherit what I give, successful disciples carry out their mission to receive and inherit as it is, as they are. It is the point. As it is, as they are. Interpretation experience will be yours as it is, not the different interpretation. I am teaching all of necessary things to you. You're privileged to inherit my way, my interpretation. As your teacher, simply and exactly I tell you now, I am not interested in your interpretation. I tell you once again clearly, I am not interested in your way. I am not interested in your interpretation. My mission here is to give you. My mission is to give any of the things necessary to my disciples I chose. Slowly and tranquilly, I'd like you to feel and think this matter. I hope all of you understand what I'm talking about. I, Toshiyuki Namai, sincerely hope that all of my disciples have their understanding regarding this essential matter. To make sure, again, my name is Toshiyuki Namai. I'm your teacher. To teach you what you need, to give you my guidance in any of the processes. I am not interested in your interpretation. I'm not interested in your way. I am interested in what I need to do to give you any of the pieces deriving from my rationality. Talking of the other matters, talking of your ways, talking of your interpretations of the things, those are not my interest. I'm not interested in those things.